Think about turning your laptop into a cash machine with just a few clicks. Today, we're revealing the secret world of niche-specific Fiverr gigs that could skyrocket your affiliate commissions. Stay tuned because you definitely don't want to be the last to catch on to this. Have you ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through Fiverr, overwhelmed by the sheer quantity of gigs available? It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, right? But what if I told you that with a few clever tricks, you can turn Fiverr's complexity into your treasure trove, especially when it comes to finding those niche-specific gigs that could be your golden ticket to earning more affiliate commissions? First things first, understanding the power of keywords is crucial on Fiverr. Think about what your specific niche needs. Are you in the digital marketing field looking for SEO services, or maybe you're a podcast producer in search of editing gigs? Pinpointing the right keywords is your first step to unlocking those hidden gems. Next up, don't overlook the category filter. Fiverr's platform is neatly organized into categories and subcategories that can significantly narrow down your search. Dive into these categories related to your niche. It's like having a map in a previously uncharted territory. Now, here's a pro tip: leverage the service options filter. Looking for a seller who offers express delivery, or maybe someone who includes source files? These filters can help refine your search to find sellers who match your exact needs. Finally, the seller details filter can be a game changer. This allows you to filter gigs based on seller level, language, and even location if you're after someone in a similar time zone or with specific language skills. And remember, always take a moment to go through reviews and ratings. They're your best insights into a seller's reliability and quality of work. Now, I'm curious, have you used any of these strategies to find the perfect gig on Fiverr? What was your experience like? Drop your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comments below. Identifying high demand, low competition gigs on platforms like Fiverr isn't just about luck. It's about strategic analysis and understanding market needs. The first thing you want to look at is the gig descriptions. Sellers who meticulously detail their offerings, including specifics about what they deliver and the uniqueness of their services, often indicate a well-thought-out gig. This level of detail not only attracts buyers, but can also suggest a niche that's specific yet in demand. Next, turn your attention to reviews and ratings. A gig with hundreds of positive reviews might seem attractive, but it could also mean high competition. Instead, look for gigs with a modest number of highly positive reviews. This sweet spot often suggests that the service is appreciated and in demand, but not so saturated that there's no room for newcomers. Additionally, weighing the service offered against the reviews can uncover opportunities. For instance, a gig offering a unique service with overwhelmingly positive feedback, but fewer reviews might indicate a high demand, low competition niche worth exploring. Each of these steps unravels part of the mystery, guiding you toward identifying those golden opportunities. Now, think about your own search for the perfect gig. Have you uncovered a niche that's both in demand and low in competition? What strategy helped you find it? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below, and let's learn from each other's journeys. Navigating the bustling marketplace of Fiverr can feel like searching for treasure without a map. But here's the secret: equipped with the right tools and insights, you can uncover hidden gems, those lucrative niche opportunities that are high in demand but low in competition. Now imagine having a compass that doesn't just point north but directly towards success. That's what leveraging Fiverr's analytics tools and combining them with savvy external research can do for your gig. First, Fiverr's analytics tools are goldmines of information. They reveal which of your services are catching eyes, sparking interest, and most importantly, converting browsers into buyers. Keep a keen eye on click-through rates and conversion metrics. A high click-through but low conversion might suggest your offer is intriguing, but might need fine-tuning. Is your gig's presentation as compelling as it could be? This is where you start tweaking, refining your descriptions, and maybe adding a video to showcase your services more dynamically. But the quest doesn't end here. Pair this internal data with external research. Jump into social media groups, forums, and online communities related to your niche. What are people talking about? What services are they seeking but can't seem to find? This is where you detect trends, sometimes even before they hit the mainstream on Fiverr. Now blend the insights gained from Fiverr's analytics with your newfound external research knowledge. The result? A tailored, almost bespoke service offering that hits the sweet spot of being both unique and in demand. But wait, there's more. Remember, every successful seller on Fiverr was once a beginner probing in the dark. The difference lies in learning to use these tools and insights to create a spotlight for their gigs. Now, think about your own experience. Have you tried using analytics and research to find your niche? What did you discover in the process? Share your story below. Your insight could be the beacon guiding someone else to their treasure. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In the bustling online marketplace of Fiverr, standing out isn't just about showcasing your skills. It's about smartly promoting your gigs. Imagine weaving through a crowded room where everyone is shouting for attention. Your gig promotion is the megaphone that makes your voice heard above the din. First up, social media marketing isn't just sharing links to your gigs. It's about creating a story around your services. Think of it this way: each tweet, each Instagram story, or Facebook post is a chapter in your story. Engage with your audience, share tips, showcase your work process, and occasionally drop a link to your gig. This strategy transforms followers into fans who are more likely to support and share your work. Then we veer into the realm of content marketing, especially blogging and YouTube videos. These platforms are not just channels to blurt out, "I'm selling," rather, they're stages for showcasing your expertise. Create content that solves problems or offers value related to your gigs. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, how about a blog post on top design trends in 2023 or a YouTube video on design mistakes to avoid? This way, you're not directly selling, you're building credibility and trust, leading viewers back to your Fiverr gigs. And don't overlook email marketing. It might sound old school, but it's gold. Start with a newsletter offering useful insights and sprinkle in soft sells of your services. The beauty here is in the personal touch. Your subscribers have invited you into their inbox. Treat that space with respect and aim to provide value first, sales second. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you excited to try for promoting your Fiverr gigs? Do you have any success stories or challenges you faced in gig promotion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Creating content that really resonates with your target audience is like throwing the perfect party. You wouldn't serve sushi to guests who love Italian, right? It's all about understanding what they crave and then delivering that in spades. This is especially crucial when you're carving out your niche online. Imagine your content as a magnet. If it's crafted with your audience's interests and needs in mind, it's going to pull them in. That first blog post or video is like a handshake and introduction. But to keep them coming back, your content needs to solve problems, inspire, or entertain consistently. Take the world of fitness as an example. If you're targeting busy professionals looking to stay fit, a video series on quick, effective home workouts could be your ticket to capturing their attention. Through these videos, you're not just a content creator. You become a trusted advisor, someone who understands their challenges and offers solutions. But here's the kicker: it's not just about what you create, but how you present it. Your tone, the examples you use, the stories you tell, they all add layers of richness to your content, making it not just informative, but engaging. It's this combination of relevance, reliability, and relatability that converts casual visitors into loyal fans and eventually customers. Now think about your own niche. Are you really speaking their language? Are you solving their problems and igniting their passions? I'm curious to know, how do you plan to create value-driven content that truly resonates with your target audience?